Hi friends, today I would like to share with you about topic of deed. What is the main purpose of a deed? The purpose of a deed is to transfer title, a legal document that provides ownership of property or assets to another person. For the document to be binding in a court of law, it must be filed in public record by a local government official tasked with maintaining document. What does mean deed? A deed is an action that you perform with intent, like turning a lost wallet you find in a store. The good deed often used to describe act of charity, but an action doesn't have to be good to be called deed. People go to jail for their criminal deed. Either way, a deed is something done on purpose. What is a good deed mean? Something that is done, performed, or accomplished. And I do a good deed every day. An upload or a treatment, feed, practice, often deed, an act or gesture, especially as illustrative of intention, one character or the lie. Her deeds speak for themselves. Does a deed mean you own the house? Or property deed is a legal document that transfers the ownership of real estate from a seller to buyer. For a deed to be legal, it must be state the name of buyer and the seller, divide the property that be transferred, and include signature of party that is transferring the property. What are some examples of good deeds? Number 1, let your first check of the year to be charity. Number 2, help a friend in need. Number 3, volunteer for an hour at an organization of your choice. Number 4, save electricity by unplugging your device when not in use. Number 5, buy a gift for your mother or grandmother. Number 6, allow a fellow driver to immerse into your land. What does doing good deed bring you? Doing good deed help you focus on your thoughts order. It helps you take a step outside your own world for a little while. Performing good deed can have positive effect on your health, like reducing stress. Managing stress can be a key part of quitting smoking. Why do we need to do a good deed? Besides helping someone, do a good deed warm your heart and make you feel good. It is a social activity for those who may feel isolated and alone. Helping others give you a feel perspective and keep you from focusing on your own problem. Do good deed and expect nothing in return. There is nothing better than random good deed. Be the recipient of such unexpected action can brighten someone's day in deeply profound way. Did it be called unfortunately? Doing something nice for someone else without expecting something in return is quite rare. What are the good deeds in Christianity? They include action of Great Commission, active evangelism, service in the church and charity. They will be rewarded in the red of God and at last judgment. Good work alone to be some theologian and evidence of true faith, worship for faith from the Epistle of James. Does God care about good deeds? Lie to your transgression. He sees our good deeds, rejoice for them, and reward us from them. God, who is faithful, will reward us since He said to do so. People were rewarded in Old Testament, and so is the same in the New Testament. The apostles were rewarded, and so are we. How do I live a life to glorify God? Dedicate everything we do to God. We can glorify Him by acknowledging and thanking Him for His hand upon every aspect of our life. Whether you eat or drink or whatever you do all the glory of God. What are good deeds in Christianity? They include actions of Great Commission, that is evangelism, service in the church and charity. They will be rewarded with the grace of God at the last judgment. Good works are claimed by some theologians as evidence of true faith versus false faith from the Epistle of James. Remember, subscribe to see the next video. Thank you.